Hi, dear Gemini. A very, very good morning to you. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading from 20th of June till 30th of June. Okay, so keep in mind these are general love readings. These might or might not resonate with you. I'm sorry, I have to sneeze, I think. Yeah. So this might or might not resonate with you. You have to keep that in mind, and the rules could be reversed. Okay. So let's start. Gemini. Gemini, your partner's current energy right now is Gemini. Your partner's current energy right now is Sun. You would be dealing with a Leo, Gemini. Your partner is really, really happy. I feel like your partner right now is celebrating something, or there's some kind of spiritual enlightenment that they got, spiritual and awakening that they got, and that's making them really very happy. They're right now in this very happy zone of their life, happy energy of their life. That's a very beautiful energy. Let's clarify further their current energy. Let's clarify further. Seven of Cups, Two of Cups, and the Star. Okay, you could be dealing with an Aquarius or Scorpio, Pisces. Lots of sun signs are there. So I feel like right now this person is really very happy because they are having options in their life. They are having lots of options in their life regarding might be something that's very important to them. It might be their work life, and they are feeling very very spiritual connection. Okay, they are feeling very very spiritual connection with you, Gemini. It is that I am getting intuitively, and they are very, very hopeful and very positive. But for some of you, I feel like this person, whosoever you are dealing with, right now is going through hell lot of spiritual happiness, hell lot of enlightenment. Whether they know it or not, whether they are consciously doing it or unconsciously doing it, but there is some kind of spiritual enlightenment that they are going through, and that's making them really very happy. Okay. I feel like this person is having options in their life, and these options, or they are having choices in their life regarding their work life, or there's something, or it could also mean that they have got so many things in so many thing good things, so many good things in their life that they are really happy. Because of this happiness, I am also feeling happy, Gemini. This is a beautiful energy that they are carrying right now. Okay, and they are feeling some kind of spiritual connection with you, and they are very very hopeful and positive that everything is going to be fine in the future. Even if the things are not good between you guys, they are very hopeful that really everything is going to be beautiful in the future. Nice energy, nice energy. Sun is the happiest card in the deck, and this person is feeling the happiest in their life right now. Okay, let's see what's your current energy. Queen of Cups, you are feeling totally in love. You are totally in love with Gemini. This is feminine kind of love. This is not lusty love. This is kind of motherly love that you are feeling for someone. This is the Queen of Cups energy, and I feel like this is emotional stability as well. But I have seen that female energy is a little unstable when it comes to emotional energy. So I feel like although you are emotionally very stable right now, but sometimes you get mood swings. Sometimes you feel like yes. I love this person. Sometimes you feel like I don't love this person, or it could also mean that you are in love with yourself right now. We will clarify, Gemini. Let's see. Let's clarify the Two of Cups in your current energy, Judgment, the Moon, and the Hanged Man. Okay, so I feel like you want to have a reconciliation with this particular person, but deep down, your subconscious fear is not letting you do that, because you are fearful that everything is going to be the same as it was, and everything is going to fall apart or something like that. That's why you are just right now stuck somewhere. Okay, right now you're stuck somewhere, and I feel like you're stuck on the person. You're stuck on the person because you have lots of emotions for them, and you're stuck because you are ready to have a brand new beginning in this connection. You want to forgive this person. You want to be forgiven by them if you did something wrong, and you're still very very fearful whether they're going to forgive you or not. And I feel like you're stuck on this person. You're still stuck on this person, and you're trying to see things according to their point of view, according to their perception. This is what you're trying to do, but you're carrying lots of love, lots of emotions for this particular person. That's for sure. Okay, Gemini, you can't lie to me, right? So let's say, Gemini, what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Gemini, your person's feelings for you right now are, let's see your partner's feelings for you. Gemini, Three of Swords. This person is deeply hurt. Okay, I feel like yes, Now I'm sure that this person is going through some kind of spiritual awakening and they are feeling really happy because they have options and choices in their life. But as long as their feelings towards you are concerned, I feel like this person is deeply heartbroken, deeply heartbroken, deeply sad. They are, I feel like you did something wrong with them and that's why they're deeply hurt. Okay, that's why they're sad. So I feel like this person might be showing you a very happy face to you, showing you that they don't care about you, but deep down they are very hurt by what you did. They are very sad because of, might be, of the fallout between you guys. Let's clarify. Page of Swords, Three of Wands, and Three of Swords again. My God. Now I feel like there is a third party situation here, Gemini. You could be dealing with a third party situation that broke their heart completely. They are, spying on you. Not spying on you like an FBI or some kind of agent or something like that. Not in a bad way. They are just seeing you on the Facebook and Instagram or on social media, wherever you are on social media. This person is trying to look for you, what you are doing, what you are up to, and they're turning their back because of some third party situation here. There are three threes in this is the situation. This person is deeply hurt. So I feel like might be you betrayed them, might be you had somebody else also in the equation, and keep in mind that roles could be reversed anytime. It could be like they did something with you, okay, and you are feeling heartbroken. This is the situation. So I feel like there was a third party situation here, definitely, and that broke your heart or that broke their heart very badly. These are their feelings for you: sad, depressed, heartbroken, completely shattered. My God, the whole reading, changes when you come to the feelings and the wants. Gosh. Let's see what this person wants from you, Gemini. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see, Gemini, what this person wants from you. Judgment. So this person wants reconciliation with you. This person wants to forgive you. This person wants forgiveness from you. This is what they want. They want to give this connection. Give me a second. So I feel like this person wants to give the relationship, give this connection another chance because this is forgiveness energy. Because the judgment is the forgiveness energy. Okay, this is what they want from you. To forgive you and to be forgiven by you and start this connection all over again. This is a reconciliation energy. They want to give this connection another chance, second chance. Let's clarify further the judgment card in what they want. The cups, Knight of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the King of Cups. So they want forgiveness from you, that is for sure, because this person's feelings for you are okay. This person wants forgiveness from you because their feelings are growing for you day by day. This is what is happening. Okay. So I feel like this person is right now in this zone, Knight of Cups. Right now they are feeling like they have lots of emotions for you, but they are unsure about them. Okay, they are confused about them. They are very unsure what to do with these feelings. But as each day is passing, this person is getting more and more into love with you. This is the situation here, and I don't feel I feel like, Gemini, you are feeling this. This is the situation here, Gemini. I feel like you want to have a forgiveness from them. You want to take, you want to talk to them. You want to have forgiveness from their side, because I feel like you did something wrong, and I feel like your emotions are growing for this person each passing day. With each passing day, I feel like from this Knight's energy, Knight is immature energy, it's not yet mature. You feel discontent, you feel conflicted, you feel like I don't know whether I want to reach this person or not. But your emotions are uncontrollable, and you are deeply in love with this particular person. Okay, that's why you want to have forgiveness in this connection. You want to have a second chance in this connection. This is what I'm getting intuitively, that you are the one who is asking for forgiveness from this particular person, and I feel like you want to have a reconciliation with this particular person. Okay, Gemini, let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June. Let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June. Chariot. So I feel like this person is moving away from you. Okay. This person is trying to move on from this situation because they no longer hold this situation in their heart. And I feel like this person is really happy in their life because they are, going through some kind of spiritual awakening. And this person is, going through a lot in the past. And that's why now they are feeling relief. And right now they are very determined that they want to move on from this connection. They don't want this connection to, work out. This is the situation here. Gemini, let's clarify further. Nine of Cups, Magician, and the Fool. Yes, this person feels like now their wish fulfillment is to walk away from you, to move on from this connection completely, and they are manifesting to have a brand new beginning in their life. Okay, so two major Arcana cards are telling me that this person is going through a very major shift in their life and transforming their life according to their ways. There's some kind of wish fulfillment coming in their way, and they are happy because there's some kind of wish fulfillment is coming in their way. They were manifesting from a very long time, and finally they are starting what they were manifesting. Okay, they are starting a new journey in their life. They are starting a new chapter in their life, and this is what they've always wanted from this. That is what they always wanted from the universe, and now the universe is helping them to get what they want, what they deserve. So I feel like Gemini, that's you here who is on fault. I think you did something wrong. I think you were involved with somebody else as well, and that broke their heart completely. Now they are happily moving on from this situation. This is the situation, Gemini. Okay, and I'm really sorry for the coughing in between because I was not able to control that, and I can't stop the reading in between as well. So bear with me, please, a little bit. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali Taro. God bless you. Namaste.